Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to another video. So yeah, today I'm really happy because today I'm upgrading my phone. Well, yeah, I know all of you might be thinking, you just upgraded your phone 2 months ago and why are you excited about it now again? Well, I'm coming to that. That is because it's common for me to change my Android phone every year once. I change my Android phone, which is my Samsung phone, every year once, so I just keep upgrading. But my iPhone isn't like that. I don't usually upgrade my iPhones. Of course, I go around between the iPhone 7, the iPhone 6 and the iPhone 5 or sometimes even the iPhone 4S. I sometimes put my SIM card in the iPhone 4S just to use it for a week or so. But I don't usually change my main iPhone. So for those of you who don't know, I'm a two phone person. My main phone is the Android and my second phone is the iPhone. So now coming back to the topic, I didn't change this phone for 2 years. So I've been using the iPhone 8 here for about 2 years now. This one has been a really good phone, but I guess it's time to change now. I'll come back to why I changed this phone or why I upgraded to it later. But now let's take a look at what phone I upgraded to. So let me give you a few clues to start off with. Of course, this is newer than the iPhone 8 and the phone is actually under $600. And yep, it's a second-hand phone. Take a guess and take a look at the phone in 3, 2, 1. Okay, and here's the phone. Well, yep, it's not really here. Here's the phone. A lot of you would have known by now, it's the iPhone X. Upgrading to the iPhone X, firstly, before we unbox it, we gotta turn around and take a look at its technical specifications. Let's turn it around. And here we can see this is a 64GB model. And here we can see that it's the iPhone X, which in silver color and 64GB variant. I actually kind of miss these tick boxes. Now let's open it, unbox it. Okay, I mean that isn't really a good unboxing experience, but since it's a used phone we can't really say much, so I'm just going to take this off. And as expected, the phone isn't seated properly. Let's take that out. Let's put that aside for now. And okay, there's a receipt here. We shall take a look at it later. This is the used earpiece, so I'm definitely going to throw it away, that's for sure. And what do we have here? Just a paper for the headphones maybe. Wow, we have the headphone jack to lightning connector for free. That's nice. Usually it's included with the phone, but nowadays it's not, so it's a rare opportunity to see this. Yep, let's put that. And what do we have here? Our power brick. That's it. And now let's take a look at the receipt. Okay, here we can see where it was bought, Apple Orchard Road, and it was bought for $1,648. So now let's quickly clear all this and just bring the phone. Here's the phone. Now let's power it on. Okay, that took a while. We are greeted with the hello screen. So this one has been reset. I've brought my iPhone 8 here and we're just gonna quickly set this phone up. I'm gonna transfer all my data from this phone to this phone. But of course I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it later. And with this phone, we're just gonna quickly skip through the setup. Let's just take a look at the phone. The phone is taking a few minutes to activate. And I'm sorry if there's any color correction issues in this video because it's really bright. Don't use, just skip through all this, don't transfer. There you go, we are inside the phone. And now let's quickly take a look at the storage. It was said it's a 64GB phone, but let's just take a look at it now. Sometimes people are fortunate to get a higher variant phone even if they order a small one, but I'm not being greedy, but I'm just saying. So let's just go back and let's go to battery. Battery and battery health. Oof, okay, that's a huge hit. The battery is at 81. That means I'll soon have to change the battery on this phone very soon. So if it goes below 79 or something, I have to go and change the battery. That's a disadvantage, but for the price I paid for this phone, I guess it's okay. Just everything is working fine and well. The phone is a little bit hot as usual. We all know this happens when the phone is setting up. So now I'm going to turn this phone off. We got an important accessory to add to this phone. That is the screen protector. Okay, that was a really quick fix. The screen protector immediately just latches on. Usually you'll have to press out the air on the sides and the top, but this is nothing. I just put the screen protector and it just snapped on. I thought that's gonna take some work, but that definitely didn't. Just a bit more and just a small wipe. Doesn't really have to be spotless, but just a small wipe. That's it. I'm just gonna increase the brightness and reduce just the touch sensitivity, really good. And yeah, that's the unboxing of my upgraded phone. Of course, this isn't a new phone, or this isn't a new unboxing of the sealed iPhone X or anything. This is just my unboxing of a phone that I bought. And of course, I know all of you might be wondering two things: why I didn't show the setup of the phone, and why I didn't tell my short story, because usually all of you know in all my videos I'll tell all of you a short story on how I got this phone. So usually I'll get my phones off eBay, but this time I didn't get it off eBay. So I really want to try something different. So there's this local app in Singapore called Carousel. That app isn't a worldwide app, it's just a local Singapore app, but it does work like eBay. eBay is usually worldwide and the seller ships you the things, but this is you go and meet the seller and you buy it on straight from the seller. And the screen protector also I wanted to put it in on camera with all of you, so yep, that's it. So the screen protector done. I have not ordered my matte finish yet, so I'm thinking whether if I should just order my matte finish or if I should just put a case on. I'm not really a person who puts case on my iPhones, but of course I do sometimes to protect them. But other than that, I don't really put case. So now I'm just debating whether I should put a matte finish sticker or a case on top of it, or just both. So if any of you have any suggestions, do leave it in the comments below and I would just love to take them. And now onto why I didn't set this phone up. I did go into the phone, but I didn't set up anything. I just keep all the settings, and that's because I just want to try something different with this phone. I just don't want to set it up like any other normal iPhone. I just want to try something different with this phone. I'm not going to say what. So I'll set up this phone, and if you're wondering when you can see the setup in the phone, you can see it in my review of this iPhone. So definitely I'll be doing a review of the iPhone X, so just stay tuned for that. But till you wait for my iPhone X review, do check out my other videos that are already out on my channel. That's been it, and I know this is a rather short video. This isn't really a long video, and that's because this is just the unboxing. So like most of you know, I just love to share all my tech related things with all of you out here, and that is the reason why I'm doing this video. With that, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, you know what to do. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you in the next one. Bye bye.